The check-in kiosks at the airport's departure hall offer a quick and easy way to check in for your flight. If you need help at the kiosk, there is always someone available to assist you. There are several ways to start the check-in at the kiosk. You can check in other people traveling with the same booking reference, modify your check-in, and you can print bag tags. Finnair Plus members can access their benefits at the kiosk. When the check-in is completed, you will receive your printed boarding pass and bag tags. Attach the tags to your baggage and go to the baggage drop desk, where we will take care of your baggage. Check in with ease, wherever you are. Welcome on board.